Hey guys, it's Ellen here coming at you from Auckland.
And Tara here in Melbourne, and today we are going to be doing our annual advent calendar videos.
We've done quite a few of these DIYs over the past couple of years and we wanted to do it again this year. Even though we're going to be in different countries for Christmas, we still thought it would be fun.
We're keeping it pretty chill today, just going to film them on our vlog cameras, so we hope you like this style of video and let's get into it.
Okay, I guess it's time to get started on the DIY. Let me bring in my supplies. Okay, these are the materials I have gathered. Okay, I think this is everything I'm gonna need for my DIY. I basically went digging in my craft drawer and also in our wrapping paper cupboard where we keep wrapping paper and gift boxes. So I was having a look on Pinterest and I saw some people who had created some really cool advent calendars using photo frames. So I went downstairs and I was thinking about thrifting a photo frame, but then Mum was like, hey, we have a whole bunch of photo frames that we don't use downstairs. So I went and had a look through them, and the first one I found is this one. This is a photo of my dad skiing, but I liked the size of it and the black frame. The second one is gold around the edge, which I really liked. It also has a million photos of Tara when she was baby.
So I went to a good old Spotlight and got a few bits. I also went to Kmart, and I'm also, I think, going to use this. This is like my pinboard inspiration thing that I have here, and I feel like I'm going to use this as the main backdrop for this DIY, and I'm going to attach everything to here. But first, I'll show you a few bits I got. So I got some jute twine. I thought that would be good because I want to make some little bags with some scrap fabric. This star I got from Kmart. I thought it would be cute because I'm gonna try and make a little tree type advent calendar, and I thought that would be cute at the top of the tree. I also got some tinsel from Kmart. Now I'm going to look in my fabric stash and see what I've got. Okay, this is some fabric. This is like a red, kind of thick linen. I was going to use it for an assignment last semester, so I got like half a meter to test, but I didn't end up using it. So today is today that money came in handy. Do you know what? I think this is other scrap fabric that we don't need that. My idea is I'm going to make little bags to put the advent calendar treats in. So, and then they'll tie up with some of this jute fabric. Oh, I forgot one other thing that I have for this. I just remembered another Kmart thing I bought. These are some fairy lights. They were really cheap, and I have just recharged all my batteries. Did I charge the right size? AA. AA, we're okay. Alright, so I thought these would add to the vibe.
I think I'm gonna go for this one just because of the gold. Let's do it. Okay, I'm just gonna clean this off a wee bit. Okay, the next goal is going to be to pull it apart and take all these cute photos of Tara out and burn them. Just kidding, I'm not gonna burn them, so I'm gonna take them out.
Alrighty, I have my toolbox. I know this is not a typical sewing box for most people, but I'm a fashion student. What I have this for is I am going to get out my shears, scissors. I don't know why I call them shears. I don't think I've ever called them shears. And I am going to cut this into rectangles for my little bags. So remember, for each bag you want to make it like double the size because you're gonna fold it, and then you want some extra for some seam allowance. So I'm gonna do that.
I mean, look how cute she was. What happened, Tara? What happened? Kind of making this DIY up as I go along, and also let's play the game and see how many nails fall off during this DIY. I lost these ones when I was digging around in the wrapping paper drawer. Speaking of wrapping paper, I am now going to wrap the glass up for the backdrop of my advent calendar. And I'm literally just going to use glue and sellotape because I'm kind of lazy. Let's hope this works. I just noticed that I didn't do a very good job at cleaning the glass because there's literally like a hair stuck underneath it. But we're gonna turn it this way so no one will ever know. Now, the big question is it going to slide back into this frame?
The next step is to turn my desk into a sewing station. Threaded her up, and now I'm just gonna sew down each side and folded it in half so that I don't have to sew 3 sides. And then I think I might turn over the top and do a little stitch around there just to finish it nicely. That went faster than I expected. You can probably do this with like a fabric glue or something if you want, or you could just buy like little bags, but I wanted to use up some of the fabric that I have in my stash. I've done 2 stitches, which is luckily in white so you can see it really well. And I'm just gonna turn it in this way. And now it's a little bag. And I'm going to just fold over the top and sew around it. I got a little bag for your little treat.
Okay, so the goal from here is that this is going to be kind of like my base, my backdrop, and I'm going to use little boxes and glue them on here. So they'll be like stuck on here and then, oh, hold on, yep, then you take the lid off and hello, there's your advent calendar prize in there. Is it a prize? Your gift, your thing, your reward? I don't know. So I have these 2 boxes which were just in our cupboard of wrapping paper of like things we've been sent before, and I think I'm going to recover them because I don't really like the black on there. I'm also being a little bit sneaky and I'm reusing these cute little drawers that are from our advent calendar we did last year with the giant pegboard. So they slide out like this. They were around this way for last year. I've just turned them around so that I can put some new numbers on them and make them a little bit different. I'm also going to reuse these little gold boxes, almost dropped them all. These are also from last year's advent calendar, and I don't know if that's cheeky to recycle stuff from a DIY, but you know what? They're cute. I haven't used them for anything since, and they're gonna look really good on the gold. I'm gonna jazz them up a little bit though. I've got some doilies, some ribbons, some twine, so it's gonna look different to last year's anyway. So I think now I'm just gonna play around with the layout, like how I want everything to go. So I just went rummaging through my craft drawer again because I only had 11 boxes and I wanted to do 12 just for like the whole 12 days of Christmas thing, and we have done like 24 and 25 day advent calendars before and it's like a lot. So I want to keep this year's one super easy and simple. Oh, just dropped it on the ground. But I did find these adorable little envelopes in my craft drawer which have glitter on the inside and they're brown so they'll match perfectly, and which is awesome because I was thinking of doing some little like inspiring mantras and quotes in some of them this year, as well as chocolate and some beauty products, just to mix up a little bit, and these envelopes will be perfect for that. Okay, this is what I'm thinking for the final layout. So now I have to cover these boxes and decorate.
I'm gonna start by putting twine around my little baggie. Oh gosh, nearly dropped it. It's alright. Obviously you could also put your prizes in here at this point, but I don't have them yet. I'm doing this early so you get to see it. Alright, here are my supplies. I've also got these pegs from Daiso, so let's attach them and make a tree. Start by placing the bags, I think. You can obviously do 25, I've chosen to do 9 just because these advent calendars can get pretty expensive, so it's kind of just 9 gifts over the 25 days. I'm not really sure how to attach this. That works?
Oh my gosh, that took forever, and I only did 2 boxes because I'm recycling the ones from last year. Obviously you could totally go to a craft shop and pick up boxes from there that are already the color that you want. I just think it's quite good to reuse boxes that you already have, like, or else these would have just gone into the recycling bin, and also it makes it a lot cheaper. And I guess the whole point to making your own advent calendar is it's cheaper than like buying one from Mecca or Sephora or those fancy beauty ones. So yeah, I think it's looking pretty good. Here we are. So these are the two that I wrapped. I didn't glue that one very well. Stay flat. And then this one here. So now it's got a lot more cohesion. Okay, so now it's time to get a little bit creative. I have these white paper doilies that I think I'm going to add to some of the brown boxes. That way that they kind of tie into the white boxes and the white ones don't look too out of place. And yeah, I also have some twine. I'm going to have to play around with that. Maybe wrap it around.
So this is currently what it looks like. And I have some tinsel, but I'm not sure if I need it. I think it's looking pretty cute. Okay, I mean I have it, so I might as well give it a try.
So I've just spent 15 minutes decorating the boxes and they look so cute. I'm so pleased with myself. I've added some ribbon, some doily, decorated the envelopes, some gold ribbon, and I put this string on the boxes so that I can pull them open by the string. And yeah, it's coming together really well. I think what I'm going to do for the numbers is use these little tags, which were again in my craft drawer. That way I can just write the numbers on there. I might cut the pink bit off though, because that doesn't really match. I think it'd be cute if it's all white and then just use like a little gold pen. I think first I'm gonna glue them all down though. So this is my finished advent calendar. I'm so happy with how it turned out. It's very girly, very vintage, very me.
So that is my finished advent calendar. I think it turned out pretty cute, and pretty much everything in there I can definitely reuse at later times in the year. I don't know about the bags. I could find some organization use for them or something. But yeah, as I said, the lights and the grid and all the pegs are part of my usual like mood board, inspiration board. It's also perfect for me being in a studio apartment. I don't have enough room for an actual tree. So this is really festive, this is fun.
So yeah, that's my calendar and I'm excited to see what Tara's put together. So thank you guys so much for watching our DIY advent calendar video for 2018. Make sure you go watch all of our old ones for a bit of a laugh.
If you enjoyed the video, please remember to give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Two of you could definitely go in and get yourself like a few different gifts and things for a little advent calendar. It's definitely a lot of fun when I've done it previous years with Ellen.
And also leave us a comment down below with which advent calendar you prefer. Are you Team Ellen or are you Team Tara?
We'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Bye! I'm struggling to hold this.